Well, hello, fellers and fellettes. This here is OAM Garage. I'm Rick Wilson. I'm glad you're here. It must be Thursday. Yep, it's Thursday. So I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get this one out to you. Well, it ain't Thursday. It's Sunday. I'm recording for Thursday's show. Right now. While you're not watching. So, anyway, I do a show every Monday and Thursday. I'm working on my 1952 Chevrolet pickup truck, as if you didn't know. Yes, I got a new camera. It's right over there. The GoPro, I got a camera here, and I got you on the camera. You looking at me from the camera? Okay, all right. So, here's the deal. I told y'all last time that I was going to find a place to mount the horn. I am not going to drill it into what used to be in 1952, since this is 1962 235. The brackets was different and they had a different horn. So I'm going back with 1952, but I ain't putting it in the same place with I'm rambling.
Blah, 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 blah.
Anyway, so I'm gonna mount it on the firewall, and I might need some help from you fellas to do this. I don't know if I can pull it off on my own, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, I went on the internet and I looked everywhere to see where else everybody put them. Everybody's very proud of their motors. They're all pretty, and none of them show you what they do with their horns. Some of them put air horns on them, this, that, and other, but nothing what I could use. So I didn't see any of them that were mounted on the firewall, but guess who's going to? I am, because I am a innovator. No, not really. I'm really not, but I'm just going to stick it there because I don't know where it's put it. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this here pin, and there's the motor right there. I'm going to try not to hit this feller here, and this is, of course, in the way. So let's see here how I can do this. I'm going to put this up here a little closer that way. Maybe it'll be out of my way. I don't know. Maybe I just screwed everything up. I probably did. Alright, so what I'm going to do is, since this has got this little cave in right here, this is flush and with this. So I can hear myself. Can y'all hear that? Me too. So that gives the back of that thing somewhere to go. So if I put it right there, then it ought to be alright. Yeah. I just hope it's going to be alright on the inside. Yeah, me too. Alright, so let's put us two little dots right there and right there. Yep, I see them. Let's mount that sucker. If y'all will, go in the inside and put the nuts on these screws when I get ready. I know, you ain't here. I'm always talking about how I need help. I think Philip's gonna come help me. Y'all'd like that too, wouldn't you? I know I would. Uh-oh, look out, where you going? Alright, there's one of them. Let's see if this is big enough. I kind of wanted it to be just a little bit small so I wouldn't have to hold it. That may be what the deal is. Yep, that's going to be what the deal is, I hope. I don't know. Let's make it a little bigger. Ain't no telling what I'm chewing up in there. Alright, let's go ahead and make the hood. Aren't y'all glad? No, don't go up. Alright. So let us see. Are y'all seeing that? I don't know if you are or not. You should be now. Alright. Yeah, okay. Let's see. You know what? Because it will, I'll just drill it through. And let me make it just a hair bigger. I won't have to have nobody hold it. Alright. I just thought of something. I'm gonna need me a light. So I'll be back in a minute. And the Lord said, let there be light. And I'd be dogged if there weren't some. I don't think that's scripture, but I believe it's close. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yep, there's my 2 holes. Ooh, them some big ones too, ain't they? Bigger than I figured it was gonna be. Alright, so if I was to reach up there and put, there we go. Man, that hole's bigger. Not as big as I thought it was gonna be though. But that's alright. Alright. Because we're gonna, yep. Take the glass. Good Lord, I'm a big man. Alright, let's see here. Go up under there. No, you knocked my camera off. I don't know. I need an extension. Dad, blame it. What if I sneak in right here? Oh, good. So you're just going to be that way. Doing anything? Yep. Yippers. Alright. That will do. Let's try this one. Alright. Yeah, I may not need y'all's help. Oh, hush. Oh, me dog, there's one in there too. Alright, let's see what we got. Alright, let's see if we can get one of these nuts and washers. Good, I dropped it first thing. Alright, put everything in the way there, Rick. Now make sure you do that. Alright, we're here. Alright. Yep. Let's get all the wires all screwed up. Well, alright. Hello. Hello. Don't you fall off there, fat boy. Alright. Woo! Alrighty. I think that's gonna do alright. Now I need another washer that I seem to have lost. Let's see if it's in here. Of course not. If it was, I couldn't see it anyway. I don't see no washer. So, well, I guess I'm gonna have to go get me one. Fellers and fellettes, it is about 96 to 98 degrees right now in the shade, and I am in the shade, but I sure am hot. Alright, so let's see if we can get this on there without dropping it. Bars are good. Alright, use this. Alright. Ooh, yeah. There we go. Okay. Alright, fat boys. Let's watch this. Let's see if you're watching. Yep. Are you watching? Yep. Alright, fat boy. I ain't gonna say girl, fat girl. That I don't need all them comments to come up. So I'm gonna go blow the horn. Let's see what it sounds like. Here we go. Straight from 1952. Let's cut this off. All right. That's the best that horn's ever sounded, I believe. What do you think? I like it. I like it. And this is a short one. And I got some other stuff that I'm going to do to that tailgate on the next one. Shouldn't take too long. So, like I said, thank you for watching. Didn't need your help, did I? No, I didn't need your help. I'd have took it though. I'd have sure took it. So, thank you for watching. If you feel like liking and subscribing, please do. I don't think I've hit 500 yet, but with your help, I could. I want to get 500. I just feel like I'm a failure. Wait a minute. Most of y'all been waiting on this anyway, so here we go. You hear that? That's right, it ain't coffee. It is Sweet Alabama Milo's tea. Now, before you go, I want you to, please don't litter. It ain't no fun. It ain't pretty. Don't litter, it ain't pretty. And what's the second thing I always say? Hey, y'all be sweet. Did y'all like my brother half cousin that came on at the very end last week? You might see him a time or two. So y'all give him a shout out. He's my half brother cousin. Something like that. Alright, y'all be sweet. Love every one of you. I mean it. I do. I love every one of you. Y'all be back Tuesday? Is it Tuesday? Yeah, Tuesday. Alright then. What you doing, Gracie? Gracie said she wanted to be in the picture, so I'm gonna let her in the picture. Gracie, come here, you girl. He's a good girl. Who's a good girl? You are. You're such a good girl. He's my Gracie. He's a good dog. He's a good dog. He's a good dog. He's always out here just barking and protecting his property. Good dog. Say bye. Tell him be sweet.